Hi guys! So I thought I'd do a little unboxing video of this awesome tea that I've ordered from AtruUK. I'll have it linked in the description, and they actually did a packing video for this, which I'll also link in the description so you can watch them pack it as well and show your support. But I'm really excited. They're part of the TYG crew that I am with on Twitch. So pull it all out. Just trying to make sure we don't share dresses, hence the cutting, because I've taken off my dress. So I bought some teas, and there's some other stuff in here as well. So we got some leaflets. So this is the collection of teas. Now I bought 4 of them, but I think there's 5 or 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 of them. I will buy the others at some point, but funds were limited, so I got what I could. But this is the little leaflet they send with it, so that's really good. And then Atru runs alternative market events, so this is their next one, the Canterbury Mystical Market, on the 22nd of the 3rd, 26th, so that's this weekend, isn't it? Westgate Hall Road, Canterbury, CT1 2BT. So if you live close by, pop along. You're going to see some amazing stuff there. And then TYG leaflet. So those who have been around for a little while know that TYG, or Treat Your Geek, are a Twitch community and stream team that I take part in some of their stuff as well. And they are full of absolutely amazing neurodivergent and disabled streamers and content creators who just basically have good fun. And I love it, so do check them out as well. You can find their website, which has reviews and various articles and things, but also they are streaming on Twitch and YouTube and do YouTube videos, so do check them all out. I will also link them down in the description. And let's see, so our first tea is the Soul Sunshine Meadow Blend, which is chamomile and passion flower, which just sounds amazing. But look at that. That looks good. So these come with reusable tea bag things as well, but I have a strainer thing that I'm using down the middle so you can actually see. But yeah, so that's the first one. Ooh, making a mess. The second one I got here is the, I'm going to say this wrong, EIRS Green Flame Blend, EIRS. I pronounce things terrible. This one is one of the ones I'm really looking forward to. I drink a lot of nettle, and this is nettle leaf, lemon and ginger, which is the main teas I drink in winter. I drink nettle all year round, but lemon and ginger is one of the teas I drink most in winter because I love it. So I'm really looking forward to that. And just look how nice does that look. So I love my loose teas. So I try to have as much loose tea as I can. And this is Loki's Slice of Pie Blend, which sounds amazing because it's red bush tea, pear, apple and cinnamon. I mean, how good does that sound? Look at the colour of that. Isn't that beautiful? That just looks so nice. You can see they all come with their little reusable tea bag things. But absolutely beautiful. And the last one I got is the Asmodean Lovers Blend, which is chamomile and rose petal, which again sounds lovely. Duncan and I love our chamomile teas in the evenings. Look how pretty that tea is. I'm in the way. I'm not in the middle again, am I? Did you see that? Was I too far away? My camera's in the wrong place. I don't know why it's moved. But this is the other tea I got. And then this is a little something extra, which we've got their business card in. Let's have a look what we got, shall we? Ooh, a little spoon. So, this is Atru's business card. And you see that. And his details. I don't know if you'll be able to read that. So you can do it. So Atru works with partner, possibly wife, I'm not 100% sure, sorry, which is Sarah Nova, who is a Norse witch. And so, as you see her card here, she does tarot readings, runic guidance, oracle readings, shamanic healing. Sorry, I can't pronounce that. I know what it is, I just can't pronounce it. Spell work, so I can't pronounce that even more. SEIDR and more. And that's on Facebook, so that's all her details. And we got Twining Street Dreams, Raspberry, Valerian, and natural. Oh, I'm going to try that. Nice. I need everything I help I can get to sleep. And Twining Sleep, Spiced Apple and Vanilla with Chamomile and Passion Flower. Nice. Little card with my name. Says, thank you for your order. We hope you enjoy your items. All the best, Team AtruUK. Not nice. Oh, look at this. That way. How pretty is this? Oh, that is gorgeous. And it's all mine. I'm going to tell everyone else in the house they're not allowed to touch this. This is mine and mine only. But isn't that beautiful? What a lovely little gift. Thank you. And then we get this cute little keyring. Again, see if I can hold out. So we've got a bell. And moons. And, oh my god, if I can get it out. Are you seeing? Got to watch the focus on this. Hopefully you can see. But these are gorgeous. Thank you so much, AtruUK. That spoon is amazing. And all mine. No one else is allowed to touch it. But, so, these are the teas. So again, this is the thingy. So the Asmodean Lovers Blend, Chamomile and Rose Petal. The Loki Slice of Pie, Red Bush Tea, Pear, Apple and Cinnamon. The Green Flame Blend, I can't say it. Nettle Leaf Lemon and Ginger. Bring that down so you can see. And the Soul Sunshine Meadow, which is Chamomile and Passion Flower. So, the teas and my freebies. My spoon. Freaking love that spoon. That is so gorgeous. There we go. So, thank you very much, AtruUK. I will be sure coming back for more once I've got through all of these. But this is lovely. So, do check them out. The description will have links to their website, their YouTube, and any other socials I can find. And a link to the video where they boxed all this up. So, I will see you all soon. You take care. Bye.